Kema kia mawakiri bururi-ini LSK na marigitari eri nio mathiete igoti-ini makienda thabari cia ndege kuuma China irugamio iguru ria gututhuka na gutherema kwa homa ya coronavirus. Mucirithania James Makau ni athite thirikari irugamie thabari ciothe cia ndege kuuma bururi wa China thikũ 10 nginyagia rĩrĩa cira ũcio gathikĩrĩrio na gũtuithanio.
It ought to be heard.
Kiama kia LSK kiugite ni mahetia thirikari irekire gwitikiria andu acio magana meeri ma mirongo itatu na kenda kuingira guku bururi-ini kuuma China kuria nikuo kiumo kia murimu wa coronavirus.
Fare is on suspension of flights. Kenya Airways has suspended all flights.
That the respondents will, on the other hand, continue to allow more flights from China to this country, putting Kenyans at grave danger.
We don't need court orders to secure Kenyans' lives. It is not necessary, if you ask me. In law, they call it void ab initio.
Marigitari eri Joseph Mithika na Cyprian Mirabua nio mambikite cira igoti-ini o riu makienda andu acio magana meeri ma mirongo itatu na kenda kuigwo keheri-ini kwa ihinda ria thikũ 14 undu uria utumite igoti riri kuruta mwerekera kuri thirikari gwethana na andu acio othe ni matwarwo kambi cia KDF mathurimwo na oho agathana thirikari ihinge mihaka yothe ya mabururi maria mahutitio ni murimu ucio.
It is proper and appropriate to grant temporarily ex parte orders as sought.
People can go to court every day and come with 1,000 court orders. For us, the main focus is, do we have the capacity to secure Kenyan lives, irrespective of whether there is a court order or no court order?
To self-quarantine for 14 days is laughable as it is tragic. Our government has failed its citizens abroad and is now failing the citizens at home by its reckless conduct.
Makaya ma Kenya matumite thirikari mwena wayo kuhitukira munene wa aruti a wira thirikari ne Joseph Kenyua yathani ati mbiraru cia bururi cio wira wa urangeri mihaka-ini na iharo cia ndege kuri ageni mangigerera niguo kugitira a Kenya. Murimu wa coronavirus watuthukire bururi wa China muthia-ini wa mwaka wa 2019. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, gitagwo muitiriri wa Wangari.